Driver Academy, Pujol Jean, immediatamente in segreteria dai commissari sportivi. Attention please, entrance and driver, Baby Race, Driver Academy number 520, Pujol Jean. Secretary office by the steward, thank you.
The final heat of the day, the season opener, the 2024 WSK Champions Cup underway here at South Garda Karting. For the final time today, we won. Roman coming up from grid 5, pushing Kotsuya down into the lead as the clouds clear over Monte Baldo. And we can see the snow-capped peak 1.8 kilometres above sea level in the background as Kotsuya leads by for the first time. This is lap 1 of 14, qualifying each C versus D for OKJ. Just repeating, Clubby out, Zhao out, as he's Sun and led by Arm as well. Sakai trying to make up places in the open parts of the race. Ryotaro, Sakai, an increasing number of Japanese drivers with us for the 2024 WSK competition season. And Sakai at the back of the grid already making up 3 positions. Kotsuya, Van Wangerdong, Kamyab, and Ayn Kralik. Once Luke Corner from the back of the grid, all down into 18th position, but we know LK in a triple three Forza Racing car is behind Toniolo, Bagler, Kerbal, Alex Bruna Greissner going through. There's a Northern Italian driver, 302, and Luke is just behind in the X3. Alex Bruna Greissner, second generation racer. And there's Luke Corner down the inside, but Bruna Greissner closes the door on the German. Nicely done by Alex. Kotsuya from 3. And Roman Kanyaba. For the second between Kotsuya and Van Wangerdong at speed with a 48.547 in the early stages of the final heat. Closes the gap on the Spaniard ever so slightly. Roman hired and is done at the cross. Heat 5. There's Luke Corner going by, taking a look at Darren Zheng. Now starting to make up places. The Forza Racing team driver. Toniolo just ahead, better drive this side for the start from Jesse Phillips. And Alex Bruna Greissner, there's Granny. He's got those all started. Sebastian and Emery Gomez, the two teams together under the offset. Miranda. Wow, Bagland. Eilert. Toniolo. Jesse Phillips, Darren Zheng, Luke Corner. Florentina, Bruna Greissner, Vanessa Chilcanyati, Marcel Zebo. Ryotaro, Sakai, the final runner in 23rd position. Van Wangerdong, down through the chicane, different lines from the Carolina next week team drivers. Out on the 2 wheels slightly from the Van Wangerdong. Closes in on the back of the Spaniard. Roman Kanya sits on the background. 3 fires it down the inside. Into the final corner at the end of lap 5. And the reigning world champion goes on through. 3 Van Wangerdong. Fabulous pass from Button Underdog, Montoya, and Roman Tanyaba. Sakai unfortunately going slowly as the Japanese driver will retire the 351 PRG imminently. But he's Button Underdog pulls away from Montoya. Roman Tanyaba in P3. Kralik, Gulfigati, Sebastian in. Good performance from Sebastian K1 of the WSK Champions Cup. The second bridge inside the top 10, 30 steps behind in the performance.